Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box.
Kiddo Kids.
Eid Mubarak! Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay friends, I know right now Eid is there and I think everyone will be enjoying, right? Yesterday I think everyone was enjoying inside the house and today everyone will be enjoying outside, right? Even I enjoyed, my holiday. It was very good, but it was a bit boring without Kiddo Kids. I know, right? Even you guys miss me, but today I am there with you guys again. Do you know, yesterday I went to Ibn Battuta Mall, okay, because even my mother and my father had holiday. So we went there. It was so crowded, it was full of people there. And before we come into our Ibn Battuta Mall, okay, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, Eid Mubarak. What's your name? Hello? Hello? Okay, fine. I think so. The call has dropped. I hope so. He will call me again. Okay. So let me tell you about my Ibn Battuta Mall. Okay, I went there. It was full of people. It was very crowded, actually, and we went early so we could get something. We could do some shopping. So we went little early, around 4 o'clock or something. That time there was less people, but as the time increased, so many people came, and it was really fun. And there was so many special things for Eid, Ramadan and all those decorations, the things they have made for Eid and all. It was like very beautiful. Those, they have made some statues and some pictures, beautiful pictures and all, very good. Guys, I think so you guys should go to Ibn Battuta Mall, and there are so many people, so many visitors and all who come. They were clicking pictures and it was like very beautiful, and I think it's a very good place to go for shopping, and you will enjoy a lot because there are different places. I think so different, like I went yesterday to Egypt. Okay, there was so many places. I wanted to go to China, but I could not go there because we were already late roaming around in Egypt only. So you guys go there, okay, and you can find lots of things, especially for Eid and all. Okay, so today we have a very good topic which is really important, and actually we'll have a lot of fun during the topic when we go inside it. Okay, our topic is summer. Okay, summer means it's very hot and all, right? Yeah, but at the same time we enjoy a lot also in summer, right? When summer comes, it's like we are waiting for vacations and all. So when summer starts, we'll be like, yeah, come on, vacations are going to start and all. Especially in summer, we have a special vacation which is very long, right? Even in other countries and all, when summer it starts, they have a very long holiday, I mean vacation, and like how we have now, right? But we can't enjoy that much because it's very hot now, I know, right? Because July and August is the most, very hottest season, I mean hottest month, sorry. So we can't go anywhere out, right? Like we can't even play so much outside because it's burning hot, right? There are so many people who will be having, this sunburns and stuff, allergies and all, right? From because of sun bites and all. So I think so for them it is a bit bad choice, yeah, right? But we have winter vacations also coming up, right? But before winter, let's talk about the summer, okay? Yeah, in summer, what I want to tell is there are some things, right, which we should take care of when summer, like the things we have to do, like what we have to wear, what we have to eat, drink and all, right? So let's start with our dressing, okay? Dressing means like what we wear, what we can wear for summer when it's summer season. Anyways, we can't wear sweater and all, right? And sweater means it'll be very hot, right? In summer we can't add a little more hot, yeah, right? So in summer we should wear very thin clothes, I mean, which is not that heavy. And like, so many male superstars and all, right? When they go to beach and all, they wear very white line shirts and all, right? So they are not concerned about their style, fashion and all, right? But they are very intelligent, because if you wear these white lining shirts and all, right, you won't get very hot, you won't feel very hot, you'll be cool. Okay, so like that itself even we can wear. But I think so we should always go for light colors when it's summer and all, right? We should go for light colors like what I'm wearing now. Okay, light colors. But in summer I think so you should not go for dark brown and black especially, because black is a very good absorber of heat, and these dark colors and all. So I think you should not go for black anytime. You can go for light colors like light pink, white and all, which will keep you cool. And another thing is that the dresses which you're wearing, should not be too tight, then you'll start sweating so much, and these tight dresses, they won't absorb sweat. So if you wear loose dresses, they can absorb, you won't sweat so much. But if you wear tight dresses and just very, which is not even fit for your body and all, you'll sweat so much, but you'll be feeling very hot, right? So those type of dresses, those tight and black color and all, we'll be wearing in the winter season. So now it's good that we wear thin clothes and lighter color, not for darker colors, so you will not feel that hot and all, right? So many people wear spaghetti dresses and all, right? Yeah, because it is easy for us, and you won't feel hot and all, right? So when we go to malls and all, people wear those full sleeves and all, because it's full of AC over there, right? So that time we'll be feeling very cold and all. But once we step out of the mall, it's like, oh god, it's so hot, right? Even yesterday, okay, I went to Ibn Battuta Mall, I told you, right? So when we got in, it was like so cold. So I was like, it was very cold, and I wore, half sleeves dress. So it was very cold. I didn't even know what to do, because it was like freezing, that cold it was. And so when these people came more and more, that time I felt okay, because then it was okay, stable, yeah. So then before that it was very cold, and as soon as I stepped out of Ibn Battuta Mall, it was like so hot. I was like, this much so hot, and now I'm feeling like going inside. So it was really fun. Yeah. Then I told you, right, about the dress, how you can wear and all. Then the food we eat. Like, we won't prefer when it is summer season. We won't ever prefer for very hot food and all, right? Some pasta and all, very cold dishes like ice cream and cold coffee and all, right? In winter and all, we'll have some hot coffee, hot tea and all, but in summer season we'll be like ice cream. It's very jolly, right? And the best thing is that during summer season only we get to eat lot of ice creams and all, right? I think everyone's favorite will be ice cream itself. And so many parents don't allow us to eat, right? So many parents tell that it's not good while in winter and all, it's very hot, it's very cold and all, you'll get cough and this. But at summer at least we get some freedom to eat ice cream and all, right? So that's a very good thing about summer. So when we go out also, we can tell, please can you buy for us? So they won't tell anything. If they tell us also, we have some reason to tell them, right? So that's quite interesting. Then ice cream is everyone's favorite for summer, and cold coffee is something which is also good, and hot tea and stuff is not good, which I don't eat so much. But in the house and all, right, when the AC is on, that time I feel like eating everything, but not outside. Outside I'll prefer always for ice cream, Cold Stone, Baskin Robbins and all, right? That will be cool and tasty and all. Okay, then another thing is that what are things we can wear for summer? In summer, like, we can wear instead of, you know, when we go to beach and all, okay, in summer beach, okay, that time I would tell you that instead of wearing these 8 inches high heels and all to beach, right, you can wear a very smart looking hat. So hat, if the, you know, wide, the beam is bigger, I mean wider, then that will be very good for us, right? So in the hat and all, when we wear, right, if the wide beam is very wide, okay, that will help us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Yeah, right. So like when we wear the hat and all, right, so that it can cover our face from the ultraviolet rays, which you know, suddenly just comes direct on our face. And there are some sensitive places, right, in our face where you can get sunburns and all, so that will cover it. And especially these hats and all, it takes care of our face, right? That way even everyone tells that when you go to beach and all where it's hot and all, wear a cap or wear a hat or something, right? Like even my brother, when he go to play football and all, okay, even in summer, okay, so when he go and all play football and all, even my mother will tell, what are you doing, at least wear a hat and go, or I mean not a hat, anyways he won't wear a hat, so you can at least wear a cap and go and all, right, because it'll be very sunny and you will turn too sweaty and stuff, right? So when you wear a hat and all, it will cover it, the sensitive places from where you get sunburns and all, so that will help you out. So these hats are very good for your face when you go to beaches or somewhere which is very hot, or some places like where you go for trip and all, when you go for picnics and all, okay, when you sit in the garden or somewhere in the summer season, okay, that time you can wear these hats which will help you out a lot. Okay, then something else which we can wear is sunglasses. Okay, sunglasses everyone will be liking, right? Sunglasses will make you look cool, right? There are different type of glasses now, different ways and stuff, right? Now how cool it looks, right? I think everyone you go, they wear just for style, right? They wear cooling glass and stuff, right? So sunglasses entirely a very useful thing and all. But before we go to our sunglasses, okay, I'll tell you sunglass later, but before we go to our sunglasses, let's go for a rhyme. Okay, we'll watch a very cute rhyme and we'll come back, so stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.